everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels like forever since I've sat and talked in front of the camera, but it's been crazy these last couple of months, and yeah, I say this in all of my videos, but really, who cares? I'm doing my first unboxing video. I wanted to do this in celebration of my first real Weverse purchase. I purchased from the McDonald's collection, but it didn't come in the little Weverse box. And then I also got the Map of the Soul DVD, but I joined a Go for that. So I didn't get the unboxing experience. It's okay. Today I'm doing the Season's Greetings 2022. And I've been an ARMY for a hot minute now, a year and a half. And I've never really purchased from Weverse because I don't really care. I feel like I'm really chill and laid back. I'm also so behind on albums. And if I find something that I really, really love, I'm gonna purchase it. I loved the Season's Greetings. I kept coming back to look at the photos and I was like, you know what, I have to get it when it's on pre-sale. Also, I have a middle part and it's really annoying me right now, like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. It came in obviously the Weverse box and it's in pretty good condition. Showing my thing, it's on this side. Came in pretty good condition. I also got mine a week later than most people. I don't know if it's because it's kind of my first time purchasing, or where I'm located is not an easy place to ship to, which is in the middle of the United States. So it makes sense. So it's huge. I'm gonna tell you, this is probably the biggest thing that I have by BTS now. So I'm really excited. It's pretty heavy and yeah, it's really cute. I don't even know what this is, like a box, like whatever this is. And it's also this really pretty purple holographic. Not gonna be like an unboxing like down, there's so many of them, just like raw reaction. If you don't have any other ARMY friends, you can watch this while you're opening yours if you haven't already gotten it, because I feel like I'm really late. If not, have fun watching. I bias Namjoon and I've never pulled him in my life, so we'll see if I get him. If not, doesn't really matter. I also don't have like a cut thing, so I'm probably stressing so many people out. This is like a birthday present to me because my birthday is in 2 days. Opens like this, which is really nice. It also smells like ink and paper. Okay, the first thing, what is this? What is this? Oh my god. I don't even know what this is. About to open it. God, I don't know. Oh, it's like a magazine. I like that. Oh my god. These photos are sick. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna have to look through that better in a second. What is this? Poster set, price $1,000. I don't know if that's like insane, but that's really funny. The first thing. Oh. Sick. Sick, sick. So yeah, these are all posters. Here's Jin, Yoongi, J-Hope's pirate. I think that's what he is, a pirate. Jimin. Wow. Tae. Mr. Prince vibes. I honestly don't remember what their people are. Oh, it actually tells you the villain, Action Taker. Okay. Okay. What is this? Oh, is this a photo book? This one's harder to open. Okay, I'm gonna wait to do that. Oh. Yo. These, oh, I'm so glad they gave us a full set. Oh, look at this. Is it gonna focus? There. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Oh, you're joking. Oh my goodness. The eyeliner. This one, Jimin's. You probably all have seen these, so it's fine. What is he pointing to? Oh, smiley face. Oh, he has a lip piercing? I haven't seen these photos in depth recently, but oh, that one's really pretty too. These are also really nice photo cards too. They're like silky. Okay. I think this is the notepad, which, oh, that's cool. It's like a cassette tape. And there's just little notepads, looks like that. Also great. Jin. I always get Jin. I feel like it's a December thing. He looks so good though. Okay. This is a magnet. Cute. I love his outfit. Okay, I think that was the only random thing in here, so yeah, sorry, it was like at the top, so I had to like look at it. What is this? Oh, it's a digital code. Oh, I like that though. It's a nice plastic. Well, I can't show you that because it's mine. Okay, I think these are the photo ID things. Oh, I'm so excited for these. So it comes with like this little thing that you can put the little members' faces on. Ah, they're so tiny. Whoa. Hopefully it'll focus. Won't focus. So yeah, they're just like little photo IDs. And they're very cute. Nice. Don't know how I'm gonna store these in my binder, but we'll see. They're these, I think these are the postcards. So again, you get like a full set. I kind of wish they gave us just a full set of everything, honestly, but whatever. Oh. So there's this thing, which is like picture thing, I don't know. So it has that, and then each member. These are really nice postcards. Hopefully it's like, is it focused? Probably not. I'm not doing the best, but sickening. Oops. Cute. He's like, no selfies, please, no paparazzi. Okay, and then there's stickers, which y'all know I love a good sticker. These are really cute. Ooh, okay, so yeah, it's like a little calendar, which I'm excited for because I used to I would get a calendar every year. And I'm excited. Oh, these are all so pretty. The last thing that I have in here is this, which I don't know. It's oh no, it's a planner. I kind of like that. That's cute. It's nice. Probably won't use it, but greeting messages that I can't read. Oh, that's really nice because it's like, it's not like, oh, this is the first, second, and third. It's kind of like what month you want it to be. Oh, and then more stickers. Cute. I feel like that was really bad, but like an unboxing. Again, I'm not a, what is it? What is the word? I'm not a professional unboxer, but yes, my random was Jin, and I don't know if I want to trade or not because I've never traded in my life. So yeah, that was all. I'm so happy about this though. This was a nice purchase. I think it was worth the money for sure, because you got like all the photo cards, you got like the postcards, and then like obviously the little like making video and everything, and it was like a nice box. Like it's very well made. Thanks BTS for making my birthday. So yeah, if you got one, let me know what was your favorite item in it. Maybe, I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more unboxings, let me know. Also tell me what I did poorly so I can fix that, because I just kind of was opening it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video soon. Goodbye.